Koktisalo Tripura Olympic Association Twidulmung bai Tripura Shooting Association Kaisa General Meeting Khlaijakha Manjakha Tripura Shooting Association Achukphang eba MLA Danshu Tripura Olympic Association Secretary Sujit Northeast Sport Association General Secretary John F. Kharsing Akosong
Ashlo shooting no bahai ke sukangai tlangnai abnoti koklam salaika abai kinu financial shooting ni thumung players stroke no sukangai finance bagai kobang mangna Tripura Shooting Association Achukphang eba MLA Danshu.
Today we are having a general meeting here with the Shooting Association and affiliated by Olympic Association Tripura, and we are thankful to Sir John for coming and guiding us here. He's the Vice President of National Rifle Association, and thanks to all the government bodies and all the observers and all the district members. Today here our aim is that we set up a shooting association in a proper way in the state. We all know that in the state there is no range yet, there is no proper association built. So this will be our aims and objectives, that our children, our future generation gets involved in sports, not only in the rifle association but in all the other fields and all the other sports. So this is the, we have been talking since yesterday that we have a good range here. We have talked to a few army personnel also, and hope in the future we get a shooting range, at least 10 meters, 20 meters or whatever it is. We'll start, and hopefully we are doing it in the next few months. Yeah, thank you.
Khorang Chini Khorang.